Here's the next project on the house. So the windows are softwood and 20 something years old and beginning to fail, and the internal panels, the double glazed panels, are all beginning to fail. So we started looking at it, thought rather than just trying to repair, it's probably time for a replacement. So this is the plan for today. So we've got 2 windows to replace, and also we're going to have a new door as well. Part of the decision is to move away from these sort of cottagey styles, because this is actually our best view out across the fields, and it's rather broken up into little squares. So we're going to have 3 big single panes, obviously double glazed, on these, which I think will let in a lot more light and gives a better view. And the door's just going to have a small single pane in it, and of course a cat trap for the cat. The house currently has wooden window frames, which feels very cottagey, but this is a modern extension, so we're actually going for UPVC for these. Hopefully that's a good decision. And here's the after. Super impressed with the fitters, they did a really good job, all very tidy. Didn't even need to do any painting around the windows. They've got trim strips that just hide any scuffs on the paint, which is all good. And the door is, for the first time, completely draft free. The only slight snag is there was somebody pressed the wrong button in the factory, and this door should all be this charcoal green, including this bit, and instead it's got a cream frame, which they've admitted they got wrong, so they've got to make a new section and fit that, which apparently is not too difficult to do. So that's a shame, because otherwise it would have been, I'd say, a perfect job, and even Bertie's cat flap is fitted. Even after a day, it is noticeably warmer in here and quieter, even when the wind is howling from the southwest. And of course we've now got a window where we can make the most of the view out over the fields towards the sea. So apart from the door, minor issue, we're extremely pleased. And the great news is the door's been fixed. So the window hub guys came back, put a new surround on the door and also a new door frame. So it all looks the right colour now.